Hey, and we're back at it, cooking with Vince Castelli and my good friend, La Familia, Leonardo Capricorne. Let's get it, forget about it. What are we making today?
Pizza!
Zaz, that's what I call it in my house. Forget about it.
Zaz.
Let's get it. Alright, so what we've been doing with this dough, Letting it prove, chef at work. Multiple toppings today. We're gonna make a vegetarian za, a meat za, and then we got one more. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but right now, forget about it, because we're getting into it. Alright, we got the all-purpose flour. Throw it on.
We're gonna grab our first dough. Never count. Forget about it.
On my kitchen. Forget about it. I'm gonna get going on mine.
Just stretching it out.
Be a little rough with my dough. Let's go.
We are professional pizza makers.
What I like to do with my dough, throw it around, stretches out. Once I get it at a good diameter, I start stretching it with my fingers here. Gravity. Driving the car. Vroom vroom. Alright, first stop on the journey. More flour on
it. Just like that, no time at all. Ribadam bam in the oven. Fresh mozzarella, Colombian coffee, brewed right here in New York.
That's what I'm talking about. You don't already know,
forget about it.
All you gotta know.
I'm gonna start cutting up the black olives.
That's how pizza's supposed to look. Trust me.
Trust me.
Right. Don't forget about that thing.
I'm not gonna forget about it. Bada bing, bada boom.
That's what you're looking for. Let's get it.
Tomato sauce.
On there. Throw it on there.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
You don't want too much sauce, folks.
Oh, I can't wait.
Copyright-free royalty music.
Mozzarella.
Cheese melts.
Cheese melts. Certain cheeses don't melt, but this cheese melts.
Salami.
Pizza master at work. Bada bing, bada boom. You lost all his toppings. Hey, forget about it. Even the best mess up every now and then. Bada bing, bada boom. I got sauce on the za. Cheese on the za. Mozzarella. Spanish onion. Scotch bonnet. You already know. Forget about it.
Forget about it.
I just found this one laying in the alley. I decided, hey, I'm making a za tonight. I'm gonna take you home.
Making me cry.
Making me cry.
Making me cry. Olive oil, salt, arugula, mix it up.
Bada bing, bada boom. Crumble my feta, pineapple, onions, olives. Bada bing, bada boom. In the oven. And what do we got here? Now does that look like a za to you? We already know.
And if you didn't know, now you do.
And now that you know, forget about it. Some Parmesan on top.
Bada bing, bada boom.
You can do this every day. Hey, 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 hey. Pizza is like making art. Hey, hey. Better than my mom used to make.
It's literally gotten so dark since we started shooting. It's what I call a thin crust pizza.
Put the pizza salad on top. And this is our third pizza of the day. The surprise pizza. One. And there we go.
Folks, you already know we forget about the tomatoes.
Alright folks, thanks again for joining us on another episode of Cooking with Vince and Leo.
Come back next week, subscribe, click the link down below, get some free merch from me and Leo straight from New Jersey.
Straight from New Jersey. Let's get it. Alright, thank you very much. We appreciate you. Every single one of you.